Hello students. Previously we have discussed the delta to star transformation. Now we will discuss the star to delta transformation. Okay. So the given point is star is given. We have to find the values of delta connections. So for that what we have the star values are, as I have already discussed here, the star values are RA, RB, RC. These values we require to find the values of delta. So let me change the ink here. The value of RA is equal to RAB into RAC divided by RAB plus RBC plus RAC. Similarly, what is RB? RB is nothing but RAB RBC divided by AB plus BC plus AC. The same way, what is RC? RC is nothing but RAC into RBC divided by RAB plus RBC plus RC, AB, BC and AC. So these are the three equations, 1, 2, 3. Now to find the values of delta, what we require to find here is we have to multiply the values of RA with RB and RA with RB and RB with RC and RC with RA. Okay. Now what is these values will be? If you multiply these values, you get the values like, you multiply this RA with RB. Then what is the common factor we have here? R square AB into, the rest points are, we get RBC into RAC whole divided by RAB plus RBC plus RAC. Okay, in the same way, what is the values of RB into RC? RB into RC will be, common factors are RBC. Yes. Then what we get here? RAB into R square BC into RAC whole divided by RAB plus RBC plus RAC. In the same way, what is RC into RA will be? RC into RA. What is the common factor we have here? RAC. Okay. That implies RAB into RBC into R square AC whole divided by RAB plus RBC plus RAC. Okay. Now you add all these values. Let us take this as equation number 4, 5. This will be what? Equation number 6. Now add equation number 4, 5 and 6. Then what we get here? RA into RB plus RB into RC plus RC into RA. That implies what we get here? The denominator will be a common factor here. Yes or no? In every factor, in every equation, we have a common factor like RA, RB, RC. Sorry, we get square here. Sorry. Yes or no? If you multiply both these two, numerators will be multiplied, denominators also multiplied. Then we get RAB plus RBC plus RAC whole square. What is the numerator we get here? We common the RAB from each RAB, RBC and RAC from each section. What we get here? RAB into RBC into RAC. Then what is the common factor we get here? RAB plus RBC plus RAC. Am I correct? Then if you simplify further this, this square and of this will be get cancelled here. Then what we get here? RAB into RBC into RAC whole divided by RAB plus RBC plus RAC. If you carefully observe, RBC into RAC, RBC into, or else RAB, let me change the ink here. What is this value? RAB into RBC, RAB into RBC divided by RA plus RB plus RC. This is nothing but RB, no? Am I correct? This value will be RB into RAC is nothing but RA-RB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA. Now I want to find the values of RB, no? That implies the value of RB is equal to RA-RB plus RB-RC plus RC-RA whole divided by value will be RAC. You carefully observe this equation number 7. This is very important for us. This is very, very important for us. Okay, this is very, very, very important. Similarly, can you find the value of this is also very important. Okay, using only this equation, we will be finding the values of instead of taking this RAB into RBC, let me also change this to this value. What is this? RBC into RAC by RA plus RB plus RC. Where did you observe this one? BC into AC. BC into AC is nothing but RC. I am changing this to RC. RC into the other combination will be RAB. From that you get the value of RC. Okay. If I change this to another value, let me change the ink first. This is of same color. If you observe this pink will be nothing but RAB into RAC. RAB into RAC will be AB into AC will be RA. This pink will be what? RA into RBC. I hope you understand this point. What is RC is equal to? RC is nothing but the same value will be follows like this. RA into RB plus RB into RC plus RC into RA whole divided by what is this value will be? RAB. Similarly, RA is equal to the same numerator will be follows like this divided by RBC. So these are the corresponding star values. Okay. Sorry. We have to find the value of RAC, right? RAC is equal to this value will be RB. The same way RAB is equal to RC. The value will be what? RBC is equal to RA. So these are the not star, these are the delta connected values. So these are the delta values. Hope you understand this point.